This is our triangle bed Tiflin packaging machine. It is suitable for different kinds of Tiflin product packaging. The machine includes two parts, wheel parts, and a sealing filling machine. Now let's see the machine operation procedure. For the beginning, we need to set up the fill in the fill running structure.
Firstly, product will be put into the storage hopper, then set up the target weight we need on the panel.
The machine will auto-feed products into the weighing scales. The weighing scales pick up the packaging weight in high accuracy of a tolerance within 1%. After finished weighing, the products fall into the bag former for the next process. The fill running structure and the transformer press the fill and make it able to hold the product. Then the fill will be put for vertical sealing by ultrasonic system. Then go for horizontal sealing tray. Rotate 90 degrees, sealing and cutting to make the channel. The extra fill will be recircled by the gear. The finished transfer bag will come up from the output conveyor. We could see the triangle bag sealing perfectly with string and tug on it. Machine operation parameters are clearly displayed and adjusted on the touch screen. Besides, machine electronic and transmission structure are in arrangement, easy for end user to do the routine maintenance.